If you want to import video from your system to this interface, all you need to do is to double click. You take it to your video file. Let's say I am coming from here. You locate your video, then locate where you want to take a video from. So for the purpose of this training, let me take this video. You imported it, and here you have your video. If you want to preview this video before you start working on it, you can double click on it, then it will show on your source preview. Maybe there are places where you want to use in this video. Maybe there is a place where you want to take out of it, you don't want to take it all. You can choose by moving this cursor. You move your cursor around and place it where you want it to be, or you play it to see where you want it to start from. In my previous video, I have explained this, and I think you should go see it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, this platform where you are watching it from, G Media Production YouTube channel. You'll be able to get more training on Premiere Pro as I release them on a weekly basis, and I think that if you follow through, you'll be able to make use of Premiere Pro independently. So subscribe, press that subscription button, follow, and put on the notification button so that you'll be aware when I have another video uploaded. Okay, let's go further to some other thing you need to know is what I call the interface. The other interface that you need to know. Okay, let's move further to other options you need to know. Here we have learning, we have assembly, we have editing, we have color, we have effect, we have audio, we have graphics, and captions, library. In case yours doesn't have this kind of a thing, don't worry. What I'm using is 2021 version of Premiere Pro. You may not have it if you are using anything lower than that. But what major thing I want you to know here is the area of editing, color, effect, audio, graphics are the major thing I want you to know. Let me start from editing. Editing is an interface where you can also edit your video. It gives you this kind of interface when it come up when you click on it. When you want to add color grading to your video, you can click on color. For example, let me bring this video to my timeline. When your video is on timeline, it automatically bring up your color panel where you can edit your color and change the color as you want. Look at it. If I begin to move this color, now you will see changes on my video. You see changes that are happening to my videos. I'm still going to be teaching you how to color grading your videos in my other video section, and that's why you need to subscribe to this channel so that you can follow through. When you come to effect is another interface where you can edit with, and it comes with its own different panel interface. Now audio means whatever you want to do with your audio. Means that you want to increase, you want to reduce, you want to mix, you want to do that. I'm still going to be explaining this to you in details in my upcoming videos. Now let's go to graphics. Graphics is where you have different kind of graphics where you can use on your video. For instance, maybe you want to have a text, you want to have an intro, introductions of names. Let me give you an example of this text of this. Look at this graphics that is already designed. Look at it. They come in this manner. You can edit it, you can change it, you can add some other thing to it. Okay, majorly today I want to know about these tools. I'll just mention them for you to get familiar with them. The number one tool you should get familiar with is selection tool. The selection tool help you to pick and to move your video on the timeline. Look at, I'm moving it around now. When you come down, you see what the other tool is. Track tool. Track selection tools help you to select your videos if there are many layers on this. Let me give you an instance. For example, let's say we have this layer. Let's say we have this layer on this video. A layer like this, some layers like this. Then you want to pick all of them at a time and move them. Click on track selection tools. It will pick all of them. You can move all of them at the same time, backward or forward. Then in there you have other tools. We have track selection backward and stuff. I will explain this to you in details later in my coming video. The next tool you want to know about is ripple edit tools. Ripple edit tools help you to select your clips without having to delete the next clip. For example, let me cut this clip. Let me cut them here, and here. Okay. All right. With these tools, I can move this one at the back forward, or I can move this one at the front forward without necessarily need to cut any other one that is following the clip. This is called razor clip. This razor clip is used to cut. You can cut your video with it. You want to cut anywhere you want to cut on the video, use razor clip. Slip tool also help you to adjust your video inward and outward. I will explain this to you in the future video. We have pen tools. Pen tools is allow you to trace the surroundings of your video and carve out your image from the scene. For example, you see what I'm doing now. I'm trying to use and to remove this image, and then after you have done that, you can still adjust the edges to capture it, to remove your image from the scene. Okay, and then doing that, you can make some other changes to this, which I'm going to be explaining to you in my coming videos. This is just to introduce the tools to you. And tools help you to move your clips. The hand tools help you to move your clip together, forward, backward on your timeline. And finally, you have the text clip. The text tools is what you use to type on your video. So let's say I'm typing this, welcome. Let's say I'm typing this saying welcome. You see, you can type, then you can also adjust and edit and change format, change every other thing in your panel tools. But don't worry, when we get there, I will explain to you in detail how to use these tools one after the other. I have been able to introduce to you some of the use of these tools, and I believe you will come back to see my next video as I release them. Do not hesitate to drop your question in the comments concerning this video, or any question you want me to address, any problem you want me to address for you on your own Premiere Pro training. Do drop them in the comment and I will address them. Thank you very much for coming and do media production. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy and you learn from this video. Thank you and bye for now.